Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking reliable grips, sleeve and collar or both sleeves, because control beats brute force. Drop your hips and bend your knees to change levels about 15 to 30 degrees and step into range. This shortens distance and protects your balance. Lead with your head against their chest and drive your inside shoulder into their sternum to off-balance them. Once done, pull with the grips while lifting slightly with your legs to initiate the forward drive and open their base. This creates the first effective entry. Once you've broken posture, you must commit to kyuzashi. Pull diagonally while stepping to their outside foot to open the lane. Cut your lead foot behind their ankle or thigh, keeping your chest glued to theirs so you control rotation. As you rotate, make sure to keep a low, stable posture and drive with your hips. This is how you convert movement into a throw rather than a limp pull. If their weight shifts, adjust the angle of your step and reapply the diagonal pull immediately. Drive through to finish by controlling their near side arm and head so they can't post. This secures the throw and protects you during the descent. Aim to land in a dominant top position. Transition quickly into knee shield, side control, or mount depending on their frame. Make sure to maintain chest pressure and hand position to prevent escapes. If the takedown stalls, don't force it. Switch to a single leg entry or disengage safely and reset grips. Because preserving position beats risking a reversal, adjust angles before you restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.